Today, I'm going to show you how to make an Epic Games account step by step, so you can get signed up quickly and start using Epic Games without any confusion. Whether you want to access the Epic Games Store, play Fortnite, or connect your account to other services, the setup process is straightforward once you know exactly where to click. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games registration page. You can use the direct link to the sign-up page, or you can go to store.epicgames.com and click Sign In, then choose Create Account. Both paths will take you to the same registration process, so use whichever is easier for you. Once the registration page loads, the first thing Epic Games will ask for is your date of birth. Enter your date of birth carefully, because this helps Epic determine the correct account settings and age requirements for your profile. After that, you'll move on to the main account details form. Now fill in your country, your first name, your last name, your display name, and a valid email address. Make sure the email address you enter is one that you can actually access, because Epic will send a verification code there. The display name is especially important, since this is the name that may appear on your Epic profile and in supported Epic services. Next, create a strong and unique password. A good password should be difficult for others to guess, and ideally should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password you already use on other websites, since a unique password helps protect your account better. Take a moment to double-check that everything is typed correctly before moving on. After you submit the form, Epic Games will send a verification code to the email address you entered. Open your email inbox, find the message from Epic Games, and copy the verification code. Then return to the Epic Games registration page and enter that code exactly as shown. This step is important because it activates your account and confirms that your email address belongs to you. If you do not want to register with email and password alone, Epic Games also gives you alternative sign-up options. You can create an account using external services like Google, Steam, Apple, or even certain console credentials. This can make the process faster if you already have one of those accounts set up. Just choose the method you prefer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Once your account is verified, your Epic Games account is ready to use. At that point, you can sign in anytime, manage your profile, explore the store, and connect your account to games and devices as needed. If you ever need to update your details later, you can do that from your account settings after logging in. And that's it. You now know how to make an Epic Games account in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.